Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to attach doors and hatches to your structures. Firstly, make sure in the tech tree you have researched at least one building base set. After that you want to craft a wooden wall, a floor, and a door and a hatch or trapdoor. Then you want to right click on the wall in your inventory, but before placing it you want to hold down the R key, and here you can select which type of wall frame you want. We're gonna select the door frame. As you can see, it has a opening in it, and by selecting the door you can place a door inside of it. Now for the hatches, you want to do the same thing. Place a floor with a hatch, then place the hatch inside of the opening. You can open it and close it. That's gonna be all. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like these short tutorials. See you next time.